Arcade Bomber Scramble for the TRS-80 was a clone of the then-new Scramble arcade game from the US company Stern and Japan company Konami. This TRS-80 game came on cassette for the Level II TRS-80 with 16K of RAM. This was released in 1981, the TRS-80 already being 4 years old by that point. It didn't stop the Orvers, Kansas from developing games even later still. The controls are the arrow keys for directions, and holding down up and down at the same time activates the bombs, whilst holding down left and right at the same time activates the missiles. Various obstacles will attempt to stop your progress, including ground-to-air rockets. This is one of the better TRS-80 games, and one I had in my personal collection in 1985. The simple block graphics do not deter from the gameplay, as the action is, for a TRS-80 game, quite intense. Scramble is a 1981 side-scrolling shoot-'em-up arcade game developed by Konami and manufactured and distributed by LiJack in Japan and Stern in North America. It was the first side-scrolling shooter with forced scrolling and multiple distinct levels. The Konami Scramble arcade system board hardware used two Zilog Z80 microprocessors for the central processing unit, two AY38910 sound chips for the sound, and the Namco Galaxian video hardware for the graphics. Basically, they turned a CRT TV on its side height-wise. The game was a success, selling 15,136 video game arcade cabinets in the United States within 5 months by August 4th, 1981. Becoming Stern's second best-selling game after Berserk. During the early 80s, various Scramble clone handheld machines came onto the market, although I never personally had one. Thank you for watching, take care till next time, bye bye.